Founded in 1957, Diesel Specialists of Green Bay has been locally owned and managed for over 60 years. We rebuild and repair all traditional mechanical controlled pumps. We offer new or remanufactured starters and alternators and have them on hand. Being recognized by all major fuel injection OEM suppliers, we use OEM parts in our rebuilds and repairs. We also have a large supply of common pumps and injectors within our inventory. Diesel Specialists of Green Bay are one of only a handful of Bosch dealers in the U.S. authorized by Bosch to repair and rebuild their common rail injectors and pumps. Our rebuilt injectors and pumps are tested using the Bosch 815 bench while using Bosch's SST solution. Here at Diesel Specialists of Green Bay, we work on anything diesel. We can repair or rebuild in-house and can even install OEM factory remanufactured engines. We also offer field service on all equipment, big or small. We are dealers and distributors of 10 different diesel engine manufacturers and have the experience and knowledge to work on the rest. Diesel Specialists of Green Bay. You can always count on us.